Welcome back to NYSE TV Live. Artificial intelligence is expanding its presence in virtually every industry, including insurance. Underwriting platform Federato recently unveiled a pair of AI-driven solutions designed to optimize the process and allow agentic AI ideas to come to life. Well, joining me now with more is Will Ross. He's Federato's co-founder and CEO. Will, thank you so much for joining us in studio here at the Exchange.
No, thank you for having me.
It's great to have you. You are pushing the needle forward. How are you doing that with your latest products and services?
Yeah, this morning's really exciting. As of this morning, for the first time probably ever for an industry vertical application, we're making available the ability for any individual, whether they're an AI expert or not, to ship AI capabilities that are going to help them automate the long tail of what they need to automate in their processes. And so with Orchestrate, which anyone can go and try live at orchestrate.ai, what we're doing is we're pushing the bounds of what can be built. We're starting to think about AI not just as something that can be built once, shipped many times, but something that unlocks kind of unlimited solutions, really captures the imagination of anyone in these industries.
Can you quantify or give us more examples of just what exactly it can unlock?
Yeah, and when I say anything, it really is anything. And so you mentioned two offerings, right? We also shipped a capability called submission triage, where if you think about these traditional industries like insurance, so much of what happens is still locked in emails, it's trapped inside Excel spreadsheets. And what this offering really does is it points these technologies at extracting information out of these systems and turning it into something that can create a more efficient and effective process for these insurers. With Orchestrate, what we're doing is we're taking that to the next level. Imagine a general chat agent, not unlike a chat GPT, where you can easily go and ask the system to quite literally build anything. You could say, hey, can you go summarize all the news on the internet for me about each potential insured that comes in? Can you do that once every morning? Can you do it when an email hits the inbox? And what this system will do for you is it will actually build out these agents to actually automate these processes for you. And so it's really quite powerful.
Who are your common clients and how are they using what you provide in the marketplace?
Yeah, so Federato serves the property and casualty insurance industry. So good examples of property and casualty insurers would include companies like Aspen Insurance, who listed here last week, American Integrity, also listed here last week, but also household brands like Nationwide, Lemonade are all customers. And so the sorts of things they're doing, again, are looking at submission information, all the information that's trapped in PDFs, trapped in emails. But they're also thinking about, how do I automatically respond to individuals? How do I generate emails outbound? And so the use cases really do vary across what do they insure. But at the end of the day, what they're trying to do is they're trying to provide more effective and efficient insurance for their customers. It's a tough world out there right now. You talk about wildfires in California, cyber volatility across the world. What these insurers are looking to do is be more efficient so that they can continue serving these markets. And Orchestrate, again, is enabling them, rather than us, to come up with the solutions to do just that.
Where do you want to take your company?
Yeah, no, Federato has been in a really fortunate position over the last few years. We've been growing very, very quickly within the property and casualty space. And one of the important things to know about us is we're going to continue to grow within the property and casualty space. As we think about the opportunity that exists for insurance, our goal is to be that go-to provider, that boardroom level provider across the industry. And so, we'll continue to service the property and casualty industry, whether that's with offerings like Orchestrate that enable these companies to build things themselves, or newer, more packaged offerings like our original core products. Our goal is to be the most trusted partner to those insurers.
We so appreciate you joining. Will Ross, your company's based in California, right?
That's right.
Well, we appreciate you making your way here to the New York Stock Exchange. We hope you'll come back. Will is Federato's co-founder and CEO. Thanks.